TradeWheel for Dropshipping Review, My Usage Experience. Links to TradeWheel and related resources can be found in the description below. TradeWheel is a B2B marketplace designed to connect dropshipping entrepreneurs with global suppliers across a wide range of product categories. With its vast supplier network and diverse product offerings, it's an excellent platform for sourcing products and expanding your dropshipping business. One of the standout features of TradeWheel is its extensive supplier directory, which includes manufacturers, wholesalers, and distributors from around the world. The platform covers virtually every niche, from electronics and apparel to beauty products and home goods. This makes it a great choice for dropshippers looking to find unique products or diversify their catalog. You can easily browse through thousands of suppliers and request quotes to negotiate prices directly. TradeWheel also excels in its user-friendly interface and advanced search filters. These tools help you quickly narrow down suppliers based on region, minimum order quantity, and product type. The platform even allows you to post requests for specific products, giving suppliers a chance to reach out with tailored offers. This feature is particularly useful for dropshippers looking for custom or private label products. Another advantage is TradeWheel's focus on international trade support. The platform provides resources and tools to help navigate shipping logistics, payment options, and trade compliance. This is a significant benefit for dropshippers working with suppliers in different countries, as it reduces the complexity of cross-border transactions. TradeWheel's communication tools are another highlight. The platform allows you to chat with suppliers directly, making it easy to build relationships and clarify terms. This can lead to better pricing and more reliable partnerships over time. However, keep in mind that TradeWheel is a marketplace, not a fulfillment service, so you'll need to handle order processing and shipping arrangements separately. While TradeWheel offers an impressive range of suppliers and features, it's essential to vet potential partners carefully to ensure product quality and reliability. The platform provides reviews and ratings to help you make informed decisions, but due diligence is always recommended. In conclusion, TradeWheel is a powerful platform for dropshipping entrepreneurs looking to access a global network of suppliers and source unique products. Its supplier variety, search tools, and trade support make it an invaluable resource for scaling your business. Check the links in the description to explore TradeWheel and see if it aligns with your goals. This review should help you determine if TradeWheel is the right platform for your dropshipping needs.